नमस्कार आपका वॉइसमैन चैनल में स्वागत है सो वेलकम माय चैनल वॉइसमैन टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शो you that how can you export any images from PowerPoint. So let's say I have a PowerPoint slide. This is the image that I have created in PowerPoint, and let's say you have created any image, or you have input any image in the PowerPoint slide, and if you want to export this image in any image format such as JPG or TIFF. But the thing is that if you want to export at a particular DPI, or let's say at a particular resolution, how can you do that? So let's first of all see that how to export that and what default DPI you are getting in PowerPoint. So let's say this is the image, and if you want to export it, you will go to the file, go to save as, and then you will go to this save as type options. In this we have different JPG, PNG, TIF. Let's say I want to export this or save this in JPEG format. I will go over here. Also, if you want to increase the resolution, you can go to more options, and then over here you can go to tools, go to compress picture, and you can find the resolution from 96 ppi to 330 ppi. But again, I am selecting, let's say, HD quality, which is 330 ppi. Click on OK, but I will let you know that you will not get 330 ppi for your image. Let's see. I am giving the file name as process. Type is JPG. Click on save. Just this slide, and if you go to your, see, it is just created right now. So if you open this, you can see the image that I have saved in JPG format. To get the details, right click on that, click on show more options, go to properties, and then go to details. In details, you can see that the resolution is 96 dpi. Okay, so you are not getting that let's say 300 dpi or 600 dpi that you want. This is the maximum dpi a PowerPoint can save. Okay, you know that I have already selected that options. I have gone to the options and I have selected that 330 dpi, but it is not giving me that 300 or 330 dpi, right? So this is not working in the PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. So now what to do? First of all, close any Microsoft Office software. Okay, now you can go to this search, or you can just click on this start menu, write run, click on this run app. Okay, over here type registry edit. So I will write regedit, registry edit. Click on OK, click on yes, and that will take you to the registry edit. Now over here, what you need to do, you just need to go to, it will look like this. Go to the current user, go to the Microsoft, go to the software. In software, you have to go to the Microsoft, which is there is a Microsoft over here. In the Microsoft, you need to search for the Office. Okay, so Microsoft Office is over here. Expand that. Now whatever the latest version you are using, click on that. So I'm using 16. I will click on this 16 version, and then you have to go to the PowerPoint. Now I'm using PowerPoint, so I will go to the PowerPoint option. In PowerPoint, you have to go to the options, which is over here. Okay, again go to the H key, current user, then software. In software, we are working with Microsoft Office, and then go to the Office, the latest version 16, and then go to the PowerPoint and go to the options. Now you have reached to this options menu. Okay, be sure it should be highlighted, it should be selected. Now click on the new option on edit menu. This is the edit menu. Go to the new. Okay, and select D word 32-bit value. Okay, so select this D word 32-bit value. It will provide you to make a new registry. Okay, now over here you can just write export. We want to export the image, so it is a bit map. And what we are doing, we are changing the resolution. So resolution, export bitmap resolution. I will write this, press enter. Be sure it is selected, and then you have to go to the edit again and go to the modify. Now this is what you are doing. You are giving a particular value, that what DPI, or let's say what value you are giving. So I want 300 DPI. So it is a decimal. Click on decimal and value data. I am giving 300 DPI as I want 300 DPI. If you want 600 DPI, you can write 600. Again, whatever DPI you want, you can write it over here in the value data. I want 300 DPI. So I'm writing 300 value in a decimal format. Click on OK. Go to file. Go to exit. Now let's try. So again, this is the process. Go to the property. I'm just checking out what is the DPI for this. It is 96 DPI. So let me write, just rename it. Process 96 DPI that I am getting. Before doing this registry thing. Okay. Now go to the PowerPoint slide that you want to export as an image. I'm going to this process. Go to file and then go to save as. Then I want to save it in a JPEG format. Okay. Now you can go to more options if you want, and you can go for the higher resolution, which is 330. But again, it will not work because it is giving us the maximum. So let's not do this thing. So process, and then I am sure it will give me 300 DPI. So I will write 300 DPI first, and then let's see what it will do. So I'm writing 300 DPI and click on save. Just this one, and then go to the folder. Okay, as I mentioned, it is 300 dpi. You can see that the size has been increased. And if you want to see the properties, go to the right click on this, go to the properties and go to the details. You can see that it is 300 dpi now. In this way, you can like uh, change your DPI by going to the registry and following this process. It will help you a lot. So that's all for this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman. Before that, let's see the quality of this picture to compare it. This is 96, this is 300 DPI. So thank you for watching the video, and again please subscribe my channel Wiseman.